Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeORM. Today we are going to learn how to insert the data using the query builder. Very easy, very simple. You have to use the user repository, create query builder, insert into where you want to insert here you want to pass the entity. So user we have the entity, profile we have the entity, post we have any table name it will go over it. So make sure entity should be used and the values you have to pass whether it's to be name, Alice, so you can make a full-fledged object and send it over here and then execute this function. Let's have a look. Okay, so full-fledged code we have. So this is a, you can see about the selection part. In the last video we have do the insertion part also. So this is how app.initialize, then is saying user repository, data get repository user. So here you can see that user repository, so where we are trying to add the data, and here we are using the entity user. So here we have the entity user which we are trying to use it. Okay, so insertion part we are doing. So here we can see that create query builder insert into values we have. So we can make it like alice 2 example alice 2 and save this, and let's see to insert that user and return all the values. Previously one record is there. Let's run the npm run dev, and two queries would be returning. Active records order by name would be like alice and the alice 2. Okay, so this alice 2 is already added right now. So this is how you can insert the query like this. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.